Hi everyone, welcome to me and my world YouTube channel. If you like this video, please share to others. If you are the new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for getting all updates. And in this channel, we are trying to explain lot of topics like MS Excel and MS Word, basics of MEP and kids activities, and software courses like Tableau and general topics. So for easy access of all courses, we organized the playlist in systematic manner. Today we can learn how to open any new application in computer. First we have to open run command. For that we have to press Windows and button and R. So here the run command is open. So here if you want to open Word document, we have to type WinWord. So if you type WinWord and press the OK, first we open the dashboard. In the dashboard, you have to select the blank document. Here the Word document is open. You can able to work on the Word document. See in the above the Word document, it is showing the ribbon. If you hide this ribbon, if you double click on the home, the Windows ribbon is hidden. So if you want to open this ribbon, if you double click on this again in the home, the ribbon is open. So for this we have the other shortcut is Control F1. If you press the Control F1, the ribbon is hidden. If you want to open this ribbon, again you have to press Control F1. So if you want to open new window, you have to press Control N. So see now new window is open. Again I am pressing the Control N. So again new window is open. So we have the total 3 files is there. One is earlier one and 2 new files is open. So instead of Control N, you have to open the saved files. For that you have to use Control O. See here I have the 2 files working on the here. So one is the new Microsoft Word document that is already there open here, and one more is me and my world. So I am opening that new file. So instead of selecting the files in the desktop or somewhere, what are the files you are working, that we can able to open by pressing the Control O. By closing that files, Control W. See the file is closed in this file also. So see that now only the one file is open. For this, so instead by pressing the Control W, the files will close. So by pressing the Control O, we have to open the saved files. Again the saved file is open. So for saving the file, you know that Control S. So for save as, we have to use F12. Here see I am using the F12. It is asking the file save as. Here if you in the see top, it is showing left side corner save as. So I am using 0. And in the bottom if you see, we have the every document we have the 3 modes of task status bar. One is print layout, and other one is web layout, and third one is read more. So for this also we have the shortcuts. For this we have used Control Alt O. So you see Control Alt O. So this is the mode outline view. So for this we have to use Control Alt P. It is normal print layout. And draft view, if you want to use Control Alt N. This is the draft view. There is a shortcuts in the Word document to use effectively to reduce the time.